So now let's talk about Fiverr.com and Freelancer.com. So first of all, you have to go to Fiverr.com in your browser, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to join option, and here you have to enter your email. And for example, I am entering an email here. Let's see if it works out. Okay, so after entering email, you have to simply choose a username. For example, using a username Jessica Arden. Let's see if it's available. Okay, so it's available. Then you have to choose a password. For example, this is a password, and you have to simply click on join, and boom, you are now a member of Fiverr community. Okay, so this is how simple ad is it. Okay, so basically this is very simple and very legitimate. So what you have to do in the freelancer.com, you have to simply go to a sign up option. You have to simply join the freelancing by simply entering your email and password here. So this is how basically simple the work in freelancing and Fiverr is. So signing up is very simple. After signing up, the main process comes when you have to make a profile. You have to enter your details, your qualification, your skills, and then you can start out the work. So that it will take a bit of time, but it is worth it. Literally it is worth it. Okay, so what you have to do, for example, now I am logging in into my account of freelancer.com. So let's wait for logging in. I think the net is a little bit slow here, but no worry, we will have to wait a few seconds, I think, because it is saying please wait, we will redirect to you. Okay, so now my freelancing account is definitely created here, and it's definitely almost 60% created. So it is not good enough, but you have simply you have to go to a setup your account, and you have to complete the steps here, and your account will be created simply. So as you can see, if I complete the US English test, my account profile creation will be plus 20%. Currently it is 60%. The profile will become 80%, and then so on. I have to complete a few more steps, and my profile will be 100% created. This is how simple it is. So what you have to do here, let's go down. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to go to a task list. Okay, so as you can see, currently I have not created any task list, but I can simply go to create your first task, and I can simply create my task here. Okay, so this is how simple you can create your task here. So let's go to browse, and let's go to projects. So let's see, the freelancer.com is literally almost the same like Upwork. Okay, so it is almost the same as we have seen in Upwork. As you can see, this person is saying that he needs a virtual assistant. Our company is looking to build a long working relationship with a few freelance virtual assistant agent who would be able to do things for them, like project includes social media campaign, creating a swoop monopoly, and blah blah blah. So this is how the project look like on freelancer.com. And what you can do here, you can simply place a bid to your project. For example, this is 1125, and for example I enter 1000 here, and after the deduction of $100 fee, $900 will be deposited into my account, and the project will be completed in, for example, 15 days or 16 days. And here you have to write your proposal here, like we write it in the Upwork. And so this is how the proposal will work here. For example, it is saying that it needs 100 character at least. So for example, this is your proposal here, and then what you have to do, you can simply divide the project into milestone also, but I don't think this is really much needed here. So what you have to do, you have to simply place build, and then your project will be submitted to the client, and when he will see it, he will definitely reach out to you if your proposal is good enough. Okay, so this is how you can do work on freelancer.com. As you can see, these are 20 posted 21 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, 18 minutes, 8 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago. So this is how basically fast the system of freelancer.com is, and you can literally search any scale. For example, I am searching Flutter. So currently there are no match here, but I think it will show after a while. App development, let's see if we see any project here. So as you can see, it is currently showing social media ads and Google ad management and other project, but it's I think not currently showing ad development. But as the projects are updated every a few minutes ago, so definitely they will shortly come out. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can browse for projects, you can browse for contest, freelancer, bookmarks. So there are tons of options available in freelancer.com, and the good thing is that they only charge 10% service fee. So they don't charge 20%, they only charge 10% service fee. So that's a good thing about freelancer.com. So on Fiverr and Upwork you will be charged 20%, but here you will be only charged 10% of the commission. Okay, so this is the good thing about freelancer.com. So this is how basically you will work on freelancer.com. It is really simple, really it is not tough at all. It is really simple, as I have shown you in the Upwork also. So the thing is that it is really easy, and everyone literally can do it. So I think we have covered much about freelancer.com also. So let's move on to fiverr.com now. So after you have created your Fiverr account, what you have to do, you have to log in into your Fiverr, and you have to start your work here. So for example, let me close my Fiverr here, and let me open my Fiverr in my other account. Okay, so after you have created a Fiverr account, your profile will look something like this. As you can see, this profile is currently on level 2. So definitely when you will create a profile, you will have no level here. So this is how your profile will look. This is the amount of review you have get, and this is the rating you have gotten. And here your active gigs will be shown, and here the description will be shown, and here the work will be shown. Your reviews will be shown here. So basically in Fiverr, what is the change from Upwork and freelancer.com? So the change basically comes here in the gigs tab. Okay, so when you have to go to gigs tab, you can see here that you have a multiple option to create gigs. Okay, so for example, this is a gig of fixing YouTube reuse content issue. Okay, so what is the solution for it? How you can create your own gig? Okay, so for example, you are a new person and you wanna create a gig on app development. Okay, so what you have to do, you will have to open fiverr.com. Okay, and then you have to click on switch on buying, and then you have to click on services, and like for example, I need a Flutter app developer. Okay, so if you are a client, you have to simply search Flutter app developer. You will see multiple services here offering the Flutter app development. Here you can see static app in Flutter, standard, and this is how the things will work out in Flutter. So what you will have to do, you will have to check out your competitors. You have to open 2 to 3 gigs here, and after that, for example, I need to create a Flutter development gig. What I will do, for example, I will copy this. I will develop a Flutter app for Android and iOS, and here I will select the programming and tech mobile app, and platform I will select iOS and Android dual, because Flutter is our dual services, so we have to select both. And full app creation, for example, app type will be hybrid, development technology will be Flutter, and purpose will be for example, the purpose we can select chat, and expertise we have to select localization. Okay, so you can choose the expertise and everything according to your choice, according to your portfolio. so you don't have to copy me. I am just showing you a sample thing how you can create your projects here. Okay, so once you have done this, you have to enter such tag. For example, I am entering tag Flutter developer. Okay, enter and save and continue. Okay, so so data metadata is missing, so let's save and continue. Okay, so the first part is done. You can simply create your gig in just 6 steps. Okay, so this is basically how the things work in Fiverr. So what you have to do here, you have to simply add the packages. Okay, so there are 3 packages, basic, standard, premium. You can offer 3 packages, or you can simply turn it off and you can offer only basic package. Okay, so this is basically totally on your choice. For example, I am currently offering only basic package, and I am going to create a static app. Okay, so you don't have to copy the same thing like I am doing. I am just going to show you that how you can create a gig. Okay, so you don't have to copy, otherwise your account will get banned. So you have to write your own description and your own title here. Okay, then you have to select your delivery time, functional app submission. Okay, so you can check out this also. If you are offering these things in your app, then you have to enter the price here. For example, I am charging, the person is charging $100, I am charging $80. Okay, and license images, for example, 1. So you can see the price will be $82 after the Shutterstock media. Okay, so you can offer extra for delivery, operating system, app submission, source code, additional vision. Okay, so you can simply select them, but there is no need. The total price must be multiple. Okay, so we have to make it 78. So I think now it will work out, because the price must be in the multiple of $5. So $82 is not in a multiple of $5. Okay, so now we have to add description. So for example, I just copy this. You don't have to copy. I am again saying you don't have to copy, you just have to write your own description. You can take idea from competitors, but you don't have to copy it. Okay, and after that you have to click on save and continue. Okay, and after that we have also added the description and frequently asked question. Now you will ask for requirement. For example, I am saying this, let's discuss requirements in chat. Okay, and add and save and continue. Changes are saved, and now you have to add any image. For example, you have to go to Google Flutter developer. So let's go to find an image. So you have to submit your own image. Okay, so you don't have to just download the image and upload it on Fiverr, because it will definitely affect your account, and it may also get your account banned. So I will not suggest to anyone to download these images and do it. I'm just doing this for purpose to make you understand how the thing works on Fiverr. And let's go to desktop and select this image, and after adding an image you can click on save and continue. Okay, so now each and everything is done, almost there, everything is done. You just have to publish your gig, and boom, your gig will be published here. So this is how simple the process of making gig is on Fiverr. So the beauty of Fiverr is that instead of you writing proposal for your client, instead of you going and reach out to your client, the client comes to you, and the client directly orders to you. Okay, so you don't have to go to client and ask him, please order with me. Here the client directly comes across your gig, and here the client directly orders you, so that you can directly start your work. So this is the beauty of Fiverr, and that's why I love Fiverr work. The commission is literally higher, 20%, but still it's good enough, I think. Okay, so this is the gigs thing, how the Fiverr work. And here you can manage all the orders, here you can manage by request, earning, and a lot of there. Here you can track the analytics of your account. So there are basically literally each and everything you can literally see on Fiverr. Okay, so this is how simple the whole process is on Fiverr. So if we go to the account overview, as you can see, it will show the earnings to the date, it will show the average selling price, order completed, earning in October. So this is basically how the whole things are shown on Fiverr. So I hope these videos have made very much thing clear to your mind. And in this video we are just gonna end up the video right here, because I think for this video we have covered a lot of things, a lot of topics here, and I hope that now you have completely understood the whole overview of Fiverr, Upwork and freelancer.com, and now you are literally set up to go and start work on Fiverr, Upwork and freelancer.com. So I will suggest you directly go to this three platform, and also check out the top tal, guru.com and many other platform here. Go everywhere, make your account and start hunting for clients, and literally freelancing can change your life. So let's end this video here, and I will see you in the next one.